Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kathy.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Morning,
Arushi.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harshit. Where were you yesterday? Harshit
Good
Oberoi.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
2 days you
Ma'am,
have not, two times you have not attended the class. Saturday also, yesterday also, Monday also, and Tuesday.
attended, ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am. Yesterday I attended, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
you
you were teaching, ma'am, forestry in Indonesia where Dutch was ruling. Ma'am,
you were
yesterday.
there. You
Yes,
were there,
ma'am.
but I didn't see you. When I was checking the participants list, your name was not there. It was
No,
not
ma'am.
showing your name.
There. Ma'am, I remember what you taught.
That is really very good, but then maybe.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji beta.
Ma'am, I have a small doubt. Ma'am, it is only one from chapter
हाँ.
1.
Chapter 1 बताओ, पूछो पूछो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, there were natural rights. Ma'am, so how operation was a natural right?
भाई देखो सीधी सी बात है. We as human beings, we have a tendency to oppress the weaker ones, right? तो ये एक नेचुरल है, मतलब राइट नहीं है ये नेचुरली आता है. और ये राइट तब हो जाता है जब सामने वाला अपने आप को ऑपरेस करने देता है. ठीक है.
Good morning.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am.
Yes बेटा.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
I
morning.
have about ma'am history work. Ma'am, in
You have
first
doubt
chapter,
about history work. How many of you have doubt about the work that I am giving you?
ma'am, I am asking that, ma'am, in first chapter we have of history we have to do 9 flowcharts and one
हाँ.
map that told,
Yes.
and
Yes.
then the question answers of book. Ma'am,
ठीक.
anything else we have to do?
No. Only what in the book we have done, only that much.
And ma'am, in the
Okay.
starting of the notebook, we have to stick only one map of World
हाँ,
War
that
One, right?
of the, हाँ, yes.
Okay.
And
And
what
ma'am, can we,
हाँ,
ma'am,
yes.
can we paste the flowchart of that?
Yes, you can. Now I have permitted
Okay.
only for this time. Next time you need to draw it. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, we have to make flowcharts, a map, and write the question answer. Ma'am,
Yes.
this only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And
जी
ma'am, do you have any flowchart for this chapter which you are explaining?
I have already given you flowcharts, beta. For this, 3 flowcharts are there.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, for the map work, we have to take the map of France or the world map.
No, there are for this nationalism for the French Revolution, you have only France map and only 4 places you have to mark. It is already there in the map mirror that you have got with the book set.
Ma'am, I have got one map of France, ma'am, of blank map of France, ma'am, from my neighbor, ma'am.
हाँ, that is good.
So can I?
बहुत अच्छी बात है. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
do in that. You can do in that. No issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, for yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, do we there is a specific color that we need to cover our history copy?
Have I told you any specific color for it?
Ma'am. No.
So you can simply, you know what you can do? You can simply
Ma'am, red.
हाँ नहीं रेड नहीं. रेड बेटा अब प्रॉब्लम ही हो जाएगी ना. 25 को आपको देना है 25 को एंड अरेंजिंग अ कवर विल बी अ बिग इशू. तो सब बोलेंगे शशि मैम ने हमारा काम रुकवा दिया पड़ रहा है. तो आप एक सिर्फ ये काम करो, नॉर्मल कवर चढ़ा लो उसके ऊपर ब्राउन वाला और उस पे आप कुछ ऐसा रेलेवेंट लगा दो जो कि हिस्ट्री को एसोसिएटेड, जिससे हिस्ट्री से एसोसिएटेड हो. चाहो फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन.
ma'am.
यस बेटा दिव्यांश.
Ma'am, till 25 we have to submit our notebook. And
Yes.
ma'am, actually I am out of station, ma'am. So how I will submit?
बेटा ये तो आप सर से पूछो, हम क्या बताएं।
मैम
Ma'am,
PDF form will work.
मैम पीडीएफ
नहीं बेटा, PDF will not work बेटा. Why do you want to take away the रोशनी of my eyes by giving PDFs? It is so this thing painful looking at the screen every time.
Excuse
6
me,
hours
ma'am.
in the class and then again 6 hours for the correction. Yes, Purvi.
Ma'am, is it necessary to like submit the notebook only? We can submit the PDF.
नहीं बेटा, अभी
Can
हमने
we-
यही तो बोला, PDF तो कोई बिल्कुल काम नहीं करेगी. No ways it is going to work. उसका कारण भी है बेटा, क्योंकि CBSE ने कह दिया है कि सारे के सारा जो काम है वो रिकॉर्ड होगा. मतलब आपका ये नहीं है कि हम स्कूल वाले अपनी मर्जी से करवा रहे हैं ये. These directions are given by the CBSE people की written work सब कुछ होगा बच्चे का. अगर इनकेस एग्जाम ना हो पाए तो एटलीस्ट इन रिकॉर्ड्स के थ्रू जो है बच्चों को मार्क्स दिए जा सके.
ma'am,
What
can
time?
you,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am,
Ma'am, but then how will we do our work for the next 5 days if we submit a notebook?
What I didn't get you, Anuki.
Ma'am, then how will we do the work if we submit the notebooks
See,
of
work.
the next 5 days?
I'll tell you one thing. See, suppose we do question answers of history chapter 4 today. So it is not required in the notebook, right? Only one chapter that was done and completed properly that you need to do. Remaining part.
Ma'am, means the UT syllabus that are coming only that we have, that should be mentioned in the notebook,
बेटा
ma'am.
वो
when
तो है
it
ही
is
है,
given.
but geography में we have done 2 chapters, so I want both the chapters. You cannot make excuses कि मैम UT का हमने कर दिया है दूसरा नहीं करा है. Reason being हमने long time back we finished both the chapters, right?
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
I have completed both of them.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. बेटा one by one. बोलो हर्षित.
Ma'am, Divyansh.
हाँ जिव्यांश, sorry, बोलो.
Ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, if I will come on, ma'am, I will come in Bareilly on 8. Ma'am, so may I submit it before UT after 8?
देख लो, वो बात कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सर से बात कर लो, वो तो है ना.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है.
Ma'am,
It can't be 26, ma'am. If someone could not submit it on 25th, so ma'am, he
हाँ,
cannot.
ऐसा देखो बेटा, देखो जो जेन्युइन रीजन है वो हमेशा कंसिडर करे जाएंगे, पर 25th इसलिए कहा जा रहा है सो दैट यू कैन गेट द नोटबुक्स राइट बैक इन टाइम. समझे? आप सर से
Ma'am,
बेटा आप सर से बात कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू टॉक टू द प्रिंसिपल एंड व्हाटएवर सर सजेस्ट्स यू डू दैट.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am,
यशिका, इन दैट केस बेटा मैं क्या बताऊं, इन दैट केस यू चलो वी विल थिंक ऑफ द वेज देन. ओके बेटा, these exams UTs are online. Good news for you people, it is not offline. हाँ जी बताओ
ma'am, I have,
Ma'am, and half yearly.
बेटा. Depending upon the conditions, we cannot
मैम if कोरोना will still be there, मैम फाइनल तो ऑफलाइन ही होंगे, राइट?
बेटा फाइनल्स ऑफलाइन ही होंगे whatever may come.
ma'am, but it's report coming that जब तक मैम वैक्सीन नहीं आती बच्चों की तब तक नहीं हुई.
Ma'am, excuse me.
बेटा बोलो पारुष.
Ma'am, can't be that कि ma'am we only UT chapters can be submit.
बेटा पारुष ये तो गलत बात हो जाएगी भाई. 2 महीने पहले हमने जो चीज खत्म कर दी है वो आपने अभी तक नोटबुक में क्यों नहीं करी है? ये तो गलती आपकी है बच्चे.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ये चीज तो गलत है ना. मतलब आप मुझे बताओ क्या ये जस्टिफाइड है कि जो चीज हमने 2 महीने पहले खत्म कर ली है और आज जब हम काम मांग रहे हैं 4 महीने बाद तो आप हमसे ये कह रहे हो कि हम यूटी का चैप्टर करके देंगे? मतलब आप सोचो क्या ये जेन्युइन है?
No, ma'am.
तो फिर
Okay,
और
ma'am.
पता है I always tell you कि never linger on your work. उसका कारण होता है. उसका कारण ये कि जितना हम अपने काम को लिंगर ऑन करेंगे उसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम क्या होगी, बाद में फिर हमें एक दिन बैठ के पूरे 18 घंटे बैठ के काम कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. तो उससे बेटर है हम आधा घंटा दे के जो है काम खत्म करके एक तरफ रखें.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो मतलब हम अपने आप को टैक्स क्यों कर रहे हैं अननेसेसरी? ये तो अपने आप को
Okay,
टैक्स
ma'am.
करना हो गया ना. बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग क्लासेस ऑल्सो, यू आर गेटिंग टाइम ऑल्सो टू डू द वर्क, स्टिल यू आर नॉट डूइंग दैट एंड यू आर doing certain other things, maybe they are also important, but then completely not doing your work and just waiting कि भाई देखते हैं क्या होता है, हो सकता है मांगे ना, हो सकता है मांग लेंगे तो दे देंगे जितना मांगेंगे, तो ये चीज तो बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है सक्षम, बोलो बेटा. ये सक्षम.
Ma'am, I have a yes, ma'am. I have a doubt in chapter 1.
Ask.
Ma'am, on 24 September 1792, ma'am, when the convention was elected, ma'am, there were only the members of third estate, or the clergy and nobles were also included in this.
Wait, let me see. Just a second. You are reading from which line?
Ma'am, page number 15,
ठीक है, page
the
number-
last paragraph.
Ma'am, I think all were included.
In this, to all the members were included.
Okay, ma'am.
Only women were not given the rights to vote, right? Rest everyone was there.
And ma'am,
Yes.
can this time, ma'am, can we excuse for the covering of notebooks?
ब्राउन कवर तो चढ़ा ही सकते हैं.
Ma'am,
इस टाइम ब्राउन कवर निकला ही नहीं है टेस्ट में.
तो अगर आपके पास कोई कलर्ड कवर है वो चढ़ा दो.
Transparent.
For my part, for my subject, I don't mind.
Ma'am, can we stick the transparent cover that we get from this year, ma'am?
देख लो. But it should not be a colorful notebook. Proper आपकी इस SR लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए उस पे.
Yes, ma'am, that would be.
अगर कलरफुल नोटबुक्स है तो उनको कवर करो ब्राउन शीट से, अदरवाइज जो नॉर्मल आपकी जो निकलती थी पहले SR लिखे हुए वो सब, तो वो तो चल जाएगी बेटा. बट ये जो कलरफुल होते हैं ना, दे डिस्ट्रैक्ट अ लॉट. वो नहीं
Okay,
होने.
ma'am. Okay.
चलो, I think chapter is over. Yesterday we completed the chapter explanation and reading both.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us do the question answers of this chapter quickly. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, I have one doubt from chapter 1 history.
Ji.
Ma'am, why the Parisians only marched to Paris of Tuileries? Why not any other palace?
बेटा पेरिस में थे ना वो सारे लोग, इसलिए.
No, ma'am, Palace of Tuileries. Why only there?
Ma'am, because in the palace of Tuileries, ma'am, there
Huh?
was King Louis XVI.
हाँ, he was residing over there, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you see Molly Mishra in the meeting? Yes, Molly Mishra is there. Fine. ठीक है. ठीक है. बेटा एक चीज और, ये जो chapter 1 की doubts हैं, when we will be revising for the tests, during that time, I think you people can ask your doubts, and the remaining classes that we have, let us continue with what we are doing. Will it be okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Question number
Ma'am.
1. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
Fine. Can we have Anokhi reading the question for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Do I need to share the book with you people?
Yes,
No, ma'am.
We have to go.
Ma'am, shall I read the first question?
Yes, beta.
Discuss how the changes in forest management in the colonial period affected the following groups of people. 1. Shifting cultivators. 2. Nomadic and pastoralist communities. 3. Firms trading in timber or forest produce. 4. Plantation owners. 5. Kings, British officials engaged in shikar hunting.
Okay. Now, did you get the question what they are asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
They are asking you that how the forest management in the colonial period affected all these people. So I think all the answers of this you will get, most of it, or except for the last one, you will get it on page number where you have the topic a new employment, traders and something like that we have, no? I'll show you.
Yes.
Wait. Huh.
88.
Ma'am, page number 88.
Yes. 88 and 89, you will get this whole answer, right? So who is going to tell?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the first one, shifting cultivators. European foresters regarded the practice of shifting cultivation as harmful for the forest. They felt that land which was used for cultivation every few years could not grow trees for railway timber. When a forest was burned, there was the added danger of the flames spreading and burning valuable timber. Shifting cultivation also made it harder for the government to calculate taxes. Therefore, the government decided to ban shifting cultivation. As a result, many communities were forcibly displaced from their homes in the forest. Some had to change occupations, while some resisted through large and small rebellions. Ma'am, can you please the line where it is written?
Page number 86.
Yes, beta. Somebody said something. It was not clear.
Ma'am, I was asking that, ma'am, where is the line?
Beta, from where have you read? Please tell, beta. The page number you have told.
Yes, ma'am, Anoki has told.
Okay, fine. Good. So this first part is clear to everyone. Shifting cultivation, shifting cultivators.
Yes,
Fine. Then second one is nomadic and pastoralist communities.
Ma'am, please can you like make clear the first answer?
Anoki, from where can you read out the lines from where the child has read?
Ma'am, it's there on page number 86. European forests regarded this practice, regarded shifting cultivation as harmful for the forests. And the full paragraph, and it ends at, some had to change occupations while some resisted through large and small rebellions.
Rebellions. Got it? Ahana got it? Page 86.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. चलिए.
Ma'am, but I didn't ask.
Who asked it? बेटा आप लोग की आवाजें
Ma'am, आया.
बच्चे मेरे को कोई नहीं. चलो. Actually, when I share the book, I am not able to look at the participants, right? So this is the drawback. I need to join from the other device as well so that I can look at the participants. Fine.
Ma'am, but all of us have our book, ma'am. Ma'am, why do you share?
So that they can look at the screen and find out that where exactly which page number they have to open. Right? Shalom. Fine. Second part, nomadic and pastoralist communities. Who will answer this?
Ma'am,
part?
may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
Anoki.
All right, ma'am. Ma'am, on page number 89,
Yes.
the third paragraph.
Fine.
In the process, many pastoralist and nomadic communities like the Korava, Karacha, and Yerukala of the Madras Presidency lost their livelihoods. Some of them began to be called criminal tribes and were forced to work instead in factories, mines, and plantations under government supervision.
What we can do is, with the coming of the British, this line we can write, with the coming of the British, many pastoralist and nomadic communities lost their livelihoods. Some of them began to be called criminal tribes and were forced to work instead in factories, mines, and plantations under government supervision. I think this answer will do, this thing will do. Because
Ma'am, can you repeat the line?
हाँ, with the coming of British, or what we can write is with the imposition of forest management, with the imposition or with the initiative of the forest management, many pastoralist and nomadic communities like the Karowa, Karacha, Yerukela of the Madras Presidency lost their livelihoods. Some of them began to be called criminal tribes and were forced to work instead in factories, mines and plantations under government supervision. Right? This
Ma'am,
will,
what is the first line that we have to write?
with the initiation of forest management, ठीक है? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, no? Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the next part? Farm trading in timber, forest produce. Can we have Karan answering? Molly, are you there?
Ma'am, are you
Yes,
asking me?
there.
You always respond so late, no, Taran, that when I take somebody else's name, then you come. When I take your name, you are not there. Why is it so? Yes. Okay. Yes, I will
Ma'am,
answer the third part of the question.
ma'am, I just want to make it clear that have you asked me to read or
Yes, yes, yes. I took your name only. Answer for the third part.
Ma'am, can I give the answer in the next chance?
Okay, fine. Anybody else? Molly Mishra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am there.
Fine.
Ma'am, shall I speak?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, the British gave European timber trading firms the sole right to trade in forest products in particular areas. Grazing and hunting by the local population were restricted by the law.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, it is given on which page number?
Tell beta the page number also.
I'm 89.
Page 89, third paragraph. With the coming of the British, trade was completely regulated by the government. The British government gave many large European trading firms the sole right to trade in the forest products of particular areas. Full stop. Answer of that part complete. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
coming to
ma'am.
the plantation owners. Plantation owners. Yes. Who will tell plantation owners?
Ma'am, may I?
चलो ख्याति बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Can anybody repeat this answer which we have just now done? That part?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I repeat?
Ma'am, may I repeat?
Yes, Divyansh.
With the coming of the British, however, trade was completely regulated by the government. The
Ma'am?
British government.
Ma'am, on which page? It is on page number 89.
89.
Third paragraph.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, Taran.
About plantation owners. I want to answer.
No, somebody was asking for the previous one, no?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Previous one you tell beta.
With the coming of the British, however, trade was completely regulated by the government. The British government gave many large European trading firms the sole right to trade in the forest products of particular areas. Gazing and hunting by local people were restricted.
ठीक है. Got these lines, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, may I answer the next one?
Sir. Yes, Taran. Carry on.
Plantation owners. First point, plantation owners found that more and more forest land could be cleared for plantations. Second point, the British had made it very clear that their system of forestry would be scientific forestry, that is plantations. Third point, plantation owners began to reap profits as the British government gave large areas of forest land to the European planters.
ठीक है. From where you have read, please tell the page number also and the lines also.
Ma'am, I have extracted it from the book. This is my own answer.
No, I understand that, but then means somewhere from the book only you have taken out, no? Taran?
Yes, ma'am.
Batao? I think this answer you can get either what Taran has said, you can write that answer, or the last paragraph. In Assam, both men and women from forest communities like Santals and Orens from Jharkhand and Gonds from Chhattisgarh were recruited to work on tea plantations. Their wages were low and conditions of work were very bad. They could not return easily to their home villages from where they had been recruited. I think this will do.
Ma'am, on page number
I haven't
82,
marked the
ma'am, there
page
is
number.
plantations.
Page
Ma'am, on
80
page number 82, it is plantations, ma'am. Can we tell also from there?
लिख सकते हो, बट वहां पे वो सिर्फ प्लांटेशन के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि प्लांटेशन में क्या ग्रो करते थे, तो वो चीज हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एक है हमारा, उसमें लिख लेंगे उसको. इस वाले के लिए
Ma'am, which page the answer is given?
Page 89, this answer is given.
82.
Page, no, 89. I am reading out from page 89 only, I think.
Ma'am, but I have taken up
Yes,
part
ma'am,
from
last paragraph.
82 as well.
It is no issues, Taran. That we can add on in the next answer that we have, next question that we have.
We have to write that whole paragraph.
This whole paragraph, this from Assam till recruited.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Now, why I am giving you in detail, because you will not get this question as it is. You may get to write about any particular part of this question. Like you may get to write about the plantation cultivators, shifting cultivators. You may get to write about the communities, the pastoralist communities, or the nomadics. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next is King's British officials engaged in shikar.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, may I?
Let Ahana tell.
In India, hunting of tigers and other animals had been part of the culture of the court and nobility for centuries. Many Mughal paintings show princes and emperors enjoying a hunt. But under colonial rule, the scale of hunting increased to such an extent that various species become almost extinct. They believed that by killing dangerous animals, the British would civilize India. They gave rewards for the killing of tigers, wolves, and other large animals on the grounds that they posed a threat to cultivators.
Okay, you can write, but then anybody else for the same
page number?
Page number is, I think, just
Ma'am, may I?
87.
I'm 87 and
page number
88.
87. I think we can write from here, second paragraph, last fourth line. Under colonial rule, the scale of hunting increased to such an extent that various species became almost extinct. The British saw large animals as a sign. Sorry. You can write, under colonial rule, the scale of hunting increased, full stop. Right? The British saw large animals as signs of a wild, primitive, and savage society. They believed that by killing dangerous animals, the British would civilize India, they gave rewards for the killing of tigers, wolves, and other large animals on the grounds that they posed a threat to cultivators. Full stop. Answer complete. Will it be okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, class?
Ma'am, I could not listen, ma'am, because of network issues. Ma'am, please tell the page number again.
Page number is 87. Last fourth line of the paragraph. Under colonial rule, the scale of hunting increased. Full stop. The British saw large animals. Now the last second line. The British saw large animals from here up till cultivators. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Chaliye. Fine. Now the next question. Next question. Who will tell the who will read the next question?
May I?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I read?
चलो अब तरन पढ़ रहे हैं.
What are the similarities between the colonial management of the forests in Bastar and in Java?
ठीक है.
The similarities between colonial management of the forest in Bastar and Java were, first point, forest laws were enacted in Java and Bastar. These laws restricted villagers apostrophe access to forests. Second, next point, timber could be cut from only specified forests and under close supervision.
ठीक है.
Villagers were punished for entering forests and collecting forest products without permission. Constable or the guards, forest guards, were harassing the people by taking bribes or deals.
ठीक है.
Both followed a system of forestry which was known as a scientific forestry.
ठीक है.
I'm this much only.
ठीक है. Can anybody sum up these points that Taran has told just now?
Ma'am, they're written on which page number?
बेटा ये पेज नंबर अलग से स्पेसिफाई नहीं है.
I'm in the case study of Java and Bastar.
आपको ये ये आपको खुद से चॉक आउट करने पड़ेंगे. आपने दोनों केस स्टडीज पढ़ी है, बस्तर की और जावा की. ठीक है. उसमें से you chalk out the similar points that you feel are quite similar to the colonial rulers. Can we have?
Ma'am, can we also take the help of flowcharts also?
Yes, you can. Can we have Prachi Gangwar answering this question? Prachi, are you there? Prachi Gangwar, are you there? ये क्यों सो जाते हैं बच्चे माय क्लास में आके? दिस इज रियली नॉट डन. प्राची, I will stop taking them in the class. Purvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ इसका आंसर जो सम अप करो जो इन्होंने कराया अभी.
Ma'am, I am looking for that only.
ठीक है. Anybody else who can give the whole answer? Jivyansh?
Ma'am, may I give?
Yes. Tell.
Ma'am, there were certain similarities in the colonial management of forest in Bastar and Java. In both the cases, the traditional rights of forest dwellers were taken away and they were forced to work for their colonial masters. Large-scale deforestation took place and felled trees were replaced with monocultural plantations.
ठीक है. और
Only this much I have done.
Okay. Anybody else for the same answer? बेटे ये थोड़ा डिटेल्ड आंसर है ये. At least 4 points we should give for the same answer. No? Shall I dictate it to you?
Yes, ma'am, you can
Ma'am, please.
See, what you can write, the first point you can give is that both the regions were under the colonial rulers, Java under Dutch and Bastar under British, right? Second point you can give that in both the places the colonial rulers imposed forest management, right? Under which certain provisions were made where some of the people of the same village could help in rendering free services to the British as well as to the Dutch, right?
Ma'am, could you please repeat the second point?
Second point
Yes,
is
ma'am.
both in both the places forest management was initiated or forest management was imposed by the colonial rulers. In Bastar, people were asked to render free services, whereas in Java, the system of rendering free services was called as Blondin-Justin system. Right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
2 points done.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the third point you can give is, you can tell that both the places shifting cultivation was banned so that the forest product could be used for ship building.
Yes, ma'am.
3 points done.
Yes, ma'am.
And then fourth point you can write that both the colonial rulers had to face uprising which was suppressed by the rulers itself. ये सिमिलैरिटी हो गई इनके रूल की, ठीक है?
Please, can you repeat the last point once again?
Last point is both the colonial rulers of both the places had to face uprising by the forest communities or the forest societies, which was suppressed by them.
Ma'am, now the answer is complete.
The answer is complete. If you want to add on any of the point to it, you can always share it with me. I think this much is sufficient.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. We are left with just 1 minute. The next question that we have, in that question,
May I?
Ruko. Let me tell you, there are certain heads given: railways, shipbuilding, agricultural expansion, commercial farming, tea, coffee plantation, Adivasis and other peasant users. Except for this Adivasis and peasant users, we have covered all the 5 under the first flow chart. So what you can do is, for railways, you can write that why deforestation was done for railways, different usages you can specify. Then when you are talking of the shipbuilding, you can write that because the oak forests were over there in England, that is why the British the attention diverted towards the Indian forest, and on large scale deforestation was done for shipbuilding for the Royal Navy in England. Then agricultural expansion, you can tell that how the colonial government believed that the forests were unproductive and they had to be brought under cultivation so that they could yield agricultural products and generate revenue. Fine. All these things are given in the chapter itself. Then commercial farming, you can always write that the production of commercial crops like jute, sugar, wheat and cotton, because it was demanded in the European market. So to supply these products, British initiated commercial farming in the country. Then tea, coffee plantations, you can always write that to meet the growing needs of tea and coffee, large areas of forests were cleared for the plantation, and the colonial government took over the forest and gave vast areas to European planters at cheap rates. The same paragraph that Taran read out for the first answer. I hope these all points are clear.